3, a full pull, and I believe that is the farthest distance of the day so far, of the weekend. Holy buckets, here we go. All right. David Ryan taking her slow and steady, going for the crawl mode. Like we're gonna go with John in the Chevy first. Oh, he's hunting for good pieces of track to get a hold of there. See if the Jeep can beat the Chevy. I think we done her. That is about the smoothest pull. Back over here comes Zach Ryan, hoping for a break so he can use a little ingenuity and come back stronger next year. Two-wheel drive class, come on down. That's where she's going to